Follow along to make this easy Halloween sign. This would look great on your party table or mantle. Here's what you need to put together this fun frame: paper straws, a black picture frame, your glue gun, tags, number stickers, and clothespins. Start by cutting down the straws to fit the frame. Remove the glass and add the straws. Add just a little bit of glue to hold everything in place. You can also put the glass and stand back in. I used my Cricut to cut some simple tag shapes out of white cardstock and adhesive back numbers to go on top. Glue the clothespin to the straws and you're all set. Add the numbers or make numbers for the entire month and do a countdown to Halloween. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.